Every great industry begins with a single vision, and on this empty land, a new chapter in beverage manufacturing is about to rise.
Before the first stone is placed, precision must be defined. The earth is shaped, preparing to carry the weight of the future.
Strength begins from below, where no one ever sees. On these lines, the future will stand. Deep below the surface, the factory finds its spine.
Systems that sustain life are built first, quietly, carefully. From the ground, the skeleton rises, reaching toward tomorrow. Every joint, every bolt, a promise of strength. And now the structure finds its shelter.
Light enters, and the factory begins to breathe. Energy now finds its pathways. Energy now finds its pathways. Precision engineering flows through every line. Because every operation begins with protection.
The heart of production arrives, technology with a purpose.
What was once empty space becomes organized purpose.
Strength below, perfection above.
Nothing is left to chance. Excellence is verified.
The factory expands beyond its walls, ready to connect with the world.
The future is ready. Production begins. And the story continues.